In this video, I'm going to go over a set of fishing kind of deck boots from the company Hunthor. Check these things out, everybody. I actually got these in a size 9 right there, and they fit very true to size. I've already had them out of the box and put them to the test, but you know what? Put them back in the box for the purpose of this video. I'll take them out and kind of show you what you get with these things. So these are 100% waterproof boots. They have pull tabs on the top right there. They have an anti-slip sole. So this sole is for walking on a deck of a boat, whether it's a bass boat or maybe even just any type of houseboat or something like that. What I use them for the most is walking in rivers and on slippery rocks, and they work great for that. There's a 3 mil neoprene liner right there that gives a little bit of flexibility. They have dual pull tabs for pulling them on and off, and a kick tab in the back for kicking them off real quick. And this outsole right here works really well on wet rocks. I put them to the test. I walked around a river. I've got a little river kind of close to my house here, and I just kind of like walked around, did some casting and jumping in between the rocks, and the mud stays out of the traction because of how tight the traction is. It doesn't collect the mud. It's easy to wash these off in the river. I just kind of like splash my foot around and the mud comes right out of these soles. So yeah, this is something I highly recommend for anyone that just wants a kind of a good deck boot or a type of fishing boot in general. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Hunthor fishing boot, deck boot. See you on the next video.